Hello everybody, it's Iga here. Today I just want to make a short video to show you guys my first strawberry of the season. It's a hydroponic strawberry I'm growing in the Kratky method of hydroponics. I'm just filming this to show that it's possible to do. It's very hard, and especially I don't have a EC meter or a pH meter, so it's a lot of trial and error, but it's possible. So I'm basically this what I'm trying to show. So it's, as you can see, it grows in water, and the media that I'm using is sand, basically. So basically that's it. So I just want to flex a little bit.